Yes.
Or your
We are all in a project kind of setting. We are working here on different projects. So I thought, and also we are in this communication boot camp kind of setting. So everybody is a stakeholder here. So in project kind of setting, the project management has defined different roles for different people in the projects. So I thought I will talk about this different roles played by the team members inside a project kind of setting. So this is managed by the HR department, Human Resource Management department. Human Resource Management has like different roles like hiring a project team, preparing a project management plan, developing a project team, and managing a project team. So we are working on a project, and everybody is a team member, and everybody the project management team breaks the members into like different kinds of roles. There are like destructive team roles and constructive team roles. So every in our everyday day-to-day activities, the kind of things we come across different people, the project management breaks it into different roles. For example, there are like aggressor role, blocker role, withdrawer role, stuff like that. The aggressor role is something kind. He's always aggressive, and then he is against the project. So we have for any project there will be some scope, the target to achieve, and the aggressor is against the idea of the project itself. Uh, so he says this is not going to work. This idea for the project is not going to work at all. A blocker is somebody who tries to block information for his personal gain. So he may be like, if I don't tell what I know, my importance will be more. So it will be better for me. So that is a negative role. These are destructive roles or negative roles. Withdrawer is like somebody who is withdrawn from the project. He says, I will not. I'll just sit and relax, kind of stuff. And then recognition seeker is somebody inside a project who tries to seek recognition. Like he wants to gain more value for himself. He wants more, maybe increase in the pay or whatever his goal is. Uh, he is called a recognition seeker. And then there is a topic jumper. Topic jumper jumps from one topic to another topic. There is a dominator. Dominator kind of stuff is like he doesn't care for other people in the project, and then he forcibly pushes his ideas into the project. And there is a devil's advocate role, which says he always opposes ideas. For example, you propose something, you want to buy this, he will say, we will buy it, we can build it or something. He always opposes. Whatever some team member says, the devil's advocate always opposes it. These are the destructive kinds of roles. And then we have constructive roles also, like we have a initiator, information seeker, information giver, etc. kind of stuff. Like initiator is like somebody who initiates a topic, like he wants to introduce new ideas or something. Information seeker seeks new information, like he wants clarifications on project ideas or something. Information giver gives the information. And then there is an encourager who encourages, yeah, this can be done, yeah, you follow this idea, and then he supports something and he encourages other project members. Clarifier clarifies everything. Harmonizer harmonizes different project people. For example, he harmonizes efforts of different peoples in achieving the project target. The summarizer summarizes the project. Like somebody is talking on something, he summarizes the topics, and the gatekeeper is like he will be he will be like a gatekeeper between two groups, and like he will be asking the other members of the team, have you done this? You are supposed to give this information today, you still did not give. So he tries to grab information from the other people. So I want to conclude, we are working in a team kind of setting, and then so we are all stakeholders, and there is communication between us, and then the project management book of knowledge breaks each of the project member into different roles, and then there are constructive roles and destructive roles. If you know about these roles, we know how we are working on the project. Thanks.